Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how are we doing today? I know, big shock, we're going to take a look at something by CRKT. But that's okay. I know I'm going to screw this up. By that thumbnail, whatever else you clicked on, today we're going to take a look at the CRKT Symmetry? Yeah, Symmetry. Symmetry. There we go, whatever. Alright, as we know, in every single CRK box, they usually put together like a little bit of a, hey, go buy this. Today it's the Shogun, the T-Hawk. Alright, well, I saw this thing, and as much as I'm starting to get into some friction folders, I should have paid a little bit more attention because, well, it's got that front flipping mechanism. And I suck at front flippers, okay? But I love the overall look to this thing. It was very beautiful, very gentleman's blade folder, which you guys know that I really truly love gentleman's blades. Basically, there's something you can wear in a dress suit, dress outfit, dressed up, and it's going to look like it belongs there. It's really non-big, non-threatening, non-tactical. It's just small, compact, beautiful, and it will do the job. And I thought that fit the bill all over the place. The fit finish is just great. I really love the blue anodized accents parts that they put on there, and I really like the way it looked carbon fibery in the middle, but it's not. So still, let's get into the stats and the fun stuff like we usually do. This is a Richard Rogers design. It has an overall length of about 6.81 inches. The blade's about 2.75, and the handle comes in roughly at 4.19. It has a minor weight to it of about 2.50 ounces. We do have a plain edge with a hollow grind, done in a drop point style with a bead blast finish. The blade steel is 8CR13 MOV. Now, we'll get into some more stuff here in a moment. It has a stainless steel frame with a glass reinforced nylon overmold, so they did a damn good job with that, the way it looks. It's just freaking beautiful to me. Now, as I mentioned, it is a front flipper, and I suck at those. Wow, hey, that was one of my best ever. But what I also love is they put in the IKBS system, which is going to help reduce wear and stress on that pivot point. Now, to hold it in place, from my understanding, there's basically two little dual dente, D-E-N-T-E-N-T-E, balls, that basically help secure the blade in place and help keep it closed. And, you know, of course, I can't really see them in there. But still, I should say the points. You can carry this left-hand, right-hand style, and you can flip that pocket clip around. It's only tip up. We do have a lanyard hole here, and yes, it is made in China. Alright, let's do some cut tests like we usually do here on the channel. Now, we usually only do 3. Why do we do these 3? Take a look up there. There's a card for why I do those cut tests. First up, heavy-duty stock paper. Wow, I love that sound. For you ASMR guys, there you go. Now let's see if we can get acrylic. Ooh, where'd that go? Not bad, look at that. Okay, big reason why I like to do that, guys, is anybody can just come up with a blade and go sharp. But if you drag it slowly across the paper, keep that same angle, basically look right there on the front. That should happen. That paper should curl back in on itself. It's showing you there's no chips, pits, micro abrasions, anything like that. Very limited snowfall, but we do have some. Okay, now on to the River's Revenge. Yeah, Bill, I'm still calling it that. Deal with it. Alright, pull. Oh, of course. It's another reason why I'm not huge on friction folders, but still, I am getting into them, though. Not huge on them. Slice. Really clean. Alright, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Not too bad. I gotta keep remembering, keep down there, because that one even moved a little as well. So, taking a look at the blade like we usually do, I really don't see anything. So, okay. So I did the homework and all the fun stuff on this guy on November 22nd, 2021. It's currently November 23rd, 2021 when I'm filming the video. I found it on Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. On Blade HQ, it's $39.95. CRKT, it's $59.99. And over on Amazon, it's $42.41. Now, it's been reviewed twice on Blade HQ for a 4 1/4 out of 5-star rating, 0 times on CRKT, and 7 times on Amazon for a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. Okay, now we're on to the fun part that I just love so much in all my videos. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below in the comment section. Do you think it's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? Here's also the most important part, okay? If it made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do anything during this video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm and get this insanity out there to other people. Seriously, you're going to help the channel grow by clicking on that, and YouTube's going to go, oh, someone's watching this video. But still. Okay. Whew. Heavily caffeinated. For you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you have lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you're choosing my channel. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Why don't you please leave me a comment right down below in the comment section, and let's see how we can implement that into a future video. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, I know I'm asking a lot, but it's all free, okay? Take a look right down there in a moment. You're going to see a big old channel symbol pop up here in a moment. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's one-click easy access to subscribe. See? Make it easy for you. After you've knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon next to it if you so choose. Why? Great question. Because that will let YouTube notify you every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much out there on YouTube, 2 will be popping up somewhere over here. Those are going to be videos from my current catalog that YouTube thinks is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the CRKT Symmetry. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope everyone's being safe, having a great day, and I'll see you in our next video.